3D website designs will make your page more immersive, draw users' attention, and add interactivity to your website. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build 3D WordPress website like this with no code and no plugin. This is possible thanks to the help of Spline, a 3D design platform with tons of community-made 3D models that you can use on your own website without 3D design knowledge. So let's dive into it. The first thing I will do is to add a new page in WordPress. I'll call this page 3D website, and I will also hide the page title since I want to create a hero section. Note that this feature is only available in certain themes. Since I don't want to design everything from scratch, I'm going to copy a hero section from the WordPress patterns directory and paste it to my page. I'm planning to insert a 3D model here, but let's change the content first just so it doesn't look out of place. Okay, the hero section is almost ready. I'm going to visit spline.design to get a 3D model quickly. You can check the link in the video description as well. This platform is completely free, but you have to register your account first. Next, I'm going to visit the community library to see what's available. You can also use the search bar feature at the top of the page to find specific 3D models. This looks like a great option, they look awesome, and I'm going to pick it. After that, click the remix button to copy the model to your library. Spline.design lets you modify the model with its web-based 3D design tool. But since I know nothing about building 3D models, I'll just skip this process and move on. Next up, let's go to the export window. Under the playback settings tab, I want to modify a few things. The background color is set to high to allow the model to blend nicely with my page. I will also enable other interactivity features like pan and zoom, as well as enable soft orbit to make it more immersive. After that, I will go back to the overview menu, add a loading animation, and update the settings. Now the model is ready to use. I can copy the embed code, go back to WordPress, insert the custom HTML block, and paste the embed code. Sometimes there's a strange behavior on the iframe height, where the models goes infinitely long or gets squeezed between blocks. So I'm going to set the height manually. Let's preview the 3D model. Don't worry, the background is still transparent, and then we can preview the entire page. Since I enabled some interactivity features, the visitor can see the model from various angles simply by clicking and dragging their mouse. You might have noticed there is a small spline.design logo at the bottom right corner. It is not possible to remove that unless you are paying for the Pro subscription or applying some really advanced cutting-edge CSS trick. But I do not promote that idea either. But for me, 3D models are a bit too much for a website and they can negatively impact the performance. A simple animation or video would be a lot lighter. If you want to learn more about inserting animation to WordPress, check out this video and I'll see you there.